Hey guys, this is Tasmia. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how you could style your cotton silk sari with a palazzo. So let's just get started. So for this, I will be using a red colored flared palazzo and an embroidered blouse which I got it from Chandni Chowk. And as usual, the green colored cotton silk sari is from my mom's closet. Basically, the sari was smaller compared to the usual length. So my mom attached about 1 meter fabric so that it is easier for draping. Now coming to the actual draping of the sari, going to the pallu end of the sari, make pleats and place it on the left side of the shoulder from behind to the front. Secure this with a safety pin so that it stays intact. Now at the point where the sari, at the back of the sari touches the waist, consider that point, make pleats. Make pleats in such a way that the pleats fall to the ground. Here I have made about 5 to 6 pleats. Then secure it with a safety pin and tuck it on the back of the waist. At the back, since it's going to look like a cowl fall, make sure to arrange the fall neatly so that it looks very uniform. You could ask someone's help for this. Bringing the rest of the fabric to the front by wrapping it around the waist and tucking it in neatly. Just before it reaching the navel, start making pleats, secure it with a safety pin and tuck it into the palazzo. Always while making pleats, remember to arrange the pleats in such a way that they are 1 mm apart from each other. And then secure it with a safety pin so that the pleats are exactly visible, and then tuck it on the waist. To have a proper fall of the pleats, arrange the pleats one after the other and brush through every pleat from top to bottom so that it forms a proper fall. There is still a little excess fabric in the side seam, so I am pulling that fabric together by pushing it on the back of the pleats so that it looks uniform. Then coming to the pleat section, here I am arranging the pleats one after the other and rotating the fabric once so that it gives a proper fall to the sari pleats. Lastly, I removed the safety pins which I had attached to the pallu pleats, brought the pallu to the right side and secured the pallu with the sari with a safety pin. That's about it. The sari drape is ready. Now for the hair, I try to keep it as simple as possible. Firstly, I have already used the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. Then brushing the hair neatly so that there are no knots. I am taking a section of hair, basically a half hair updo. I'll be taking a section of hair and backcombing gently to that section so that it gives a little volume to the hair. And once I have done with the backcombing, Push the hair a little in the front and secure this section with a bobby pin. Bobby pins 2 at each side in crisscross manner so that they stay intact. I'm accessorizing the hair with artificial roses, pinning them right at the place where I've attached the bobby pins so that the bobby pins are not visible. I did rearrange the roses later on the hair so that they are closer to each other. Now to give a little definition to the face, and this is how I like it, I'm pulling few strands of hair in the front that gives a defined look. So for the final look, I wore lots of bangles, red, blue, green, lots of them. I love wearing bangles. A pair of big jhumkas, which I bought them from Commercial Street, Bangalore, really long back. Kept the footwear easy and wore block heels. Do let me know by commenting down below how you found the style, and if you find the video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.